Explore the hidden gems and vibrant energy in Can Picafort through a photographer's lens in this lovely Balearic town. Hi, and welcome to today's video where we're going to be exploring the lovely picturesque towns of Can Picafort, Mallorca through my lens. Can Picafort is a small little town located on the northern part of Mallorca. It's a popular tourist destination which attracts visitors from all over the world, thanks to its crystal clear waters, sandy beaches and lively atmosphere. But what many people don't know is Can Picafort is a great place for street photography. The town's narrow streets and alleyways are filled with really colourful buildings, charming shops and interesting characters, making it the perfect location to capture everyday life in Can Picafort, Mallorca. It's important to observe your surroundings and look for unique moments and interesting compositions. In Can Picafort, you'll find plenty of inspiration just by wandering around and exploring the different towns. Start by walking down the main street where you'll find a variety of different shops, restaurants and cafes. Here you can capture the hustle and bustle of the tourists and the locals just going about their everyday life. Look for interesting storefront, colourful signs and people just generally interacting with each other. And as you move away from the main street, you'll get into the town's quieter neighbourhoods. You'll find plenty of charming alleyways and hidden corners to capture more intimate moments. But keep an eye out for locals just going and doing their everyday routines, children playing in the streets, and unique architectural details that define Can Picafort for what it is. In conclusion, Can Picafort is a fantastic place for street photography. Its charming streets, colourful buildings and lively atmosphere make Can Picafort the perfect place to take some street photography and capture everyday life of Mallorca. So grab your camera and head out into the streets and just let your creativity flow. And who knows what amazing moments you could capture. So now I'm just going to show you some pictures that I captured in Can Picafort. Please let me know what your favourite photo was down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And for more photography advice, be sure to subscribe. If you want to know the difference between an iPhone's camera and a professional camera, click this video just here.